Hi, this is Kristen at Servantech, and in this tutorial video we're going to take a look at how to set up our teachers in the Preachit component. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is upload an image of our teacher. So we can do this by going to either our FTP software or we can go to our file manager. I'm going to go into our file manager, and I'm going to need to navigate to the sermons folder I created. And within that folder, I will need to find the teacher images folder that I created. Now once I open this folder, I can click the upload icon, and I'll be able to browse my system to find an image of a teacher. So I've created a sample teacher images folder, and I will select the one I want to use. And you can see I've now uploaded the image into the folder, and I can go back to Joomla. Once I get back to Joomla, I'm going to want to navigate to the Preachit component, and when I arrive at the control panel, I'll just want to go to the teachers area. So you can either use the teachers button at the top, or you can scroll down to the teachers icon, which will take you directly there. And we want to create a new teacher. So if we look first at the teacher details, we can see that we can give the teacher a first name, an alias, a role, an email, website. The last name is the only field that's required. So let's type in, give it a last name of Smith, and the alias will automatically be populated. You don't need to worry about that. You can give this person a role, say it's a pastor. You can type in an email address if you want users to be able to see the email address for contact information. You can also type in a website if the teacher happens to have a personal blog or something that you want to make available to your site visitors. You can also select whether or not you want the teacher to be viewable on the teacher page. So when someone navigates to teachers, you can select who you want to show there and who you do not want to show there. So if you only wanted to show teachers for a particular ministry there, you could set the other teachers to no, say indicating that they should not be viewable on that page. You can add a meta description and meta keywords. And the next thing we'll need to do is upload our image. We uploaded the image into the teacher images folder already, which in our folders tutorial we showed you how we pointed our teacher images folder in the Preachit component to the actual folder in the file manager. And we just need to indicate now the file name, which is andre.png. And then we can go to the description. This is where you can type a description of your teacher. And let's save and close this teacher. Now you can see we have a teacher with the last name of Smith, his role as a pastor, and we have just some filler text for our description. And if we were to click on this teacher now, we can go back to see that the image has been uploaded. We can see the teacher details that we've set. We can always edit this and add more. We can always edit the description, and you can also add, just like you're in your article manager, you can add more content here. You could add an image if you wanted to. You always have the option of using the HTML source editor to add bits of HTML. And that about does it for adding new teachers to the Preachit component. In the next tutorials, we'll take a look at some other areas like uploading sermons and creating series and ministries. So thanks for joining us.